So we are headed to Netherworld. So we're running a little bit late, so I didn't get to give y'all a full intro for today. But we are at the light. Now we are walking. Y'all, I've been coming to Netherworld literally since I was in high school.
Date night tonight.
Date night. But anyway, it was kind of scary last time, but all right, y'all, so we're going in. I can't record the actual haunted house because they won't let me, but I'll see how far I can record. We just finished the experience.
Hello. Thank you.
You can push the bottom and make it change colors to static colors.
It's a little too sweet for me, but it'll work. Okay, so this line has the, I don't know if y'all can see. This line has the water, popcorn, nachos, brats, I don't know what that is. And this line over there has the water, cold drinks, mini donuts, and hot dogs. So I think we're gonna go. We're probably gonna get the nachos and hot dogs. This doesn't have no liquor in it. Straight juice, but this man over here is tripping. It's definitely scarier than the other years, I would say, because this year I was kind of surprised at some of the changes that they did. I like the changes. So one of my friends said that she went inside the other haunted house over there, and she said it's nothing but clowns and it's scarier. So I don't think we're going to do that. We're probably just going to stick to this one and get some food. Hot dog. The nachos. Thank you so much. Ah! Grab that. Thank you. That's right.
It's very good. And then, then you can go to the gift shop and get yourself some delicious Mr. Grendel's hot sauce of horror.
What is that?
Mr. Grendel's hot sauce of horror. It's real hot sauce.
Really?
For sale in the gift shop. Made with real screams from Netherworld Haunted House.
How much is it?
$9.99 for a bottle.
Okay.
It's quite reasonable. It's actually very good, but you didn't hear that from me.
Okay. Okay, so y'all, so we're leaving. We actually had combo passes, and the combo, let me see the combo pass so I can show them what it looks like. This is the combo pass, the combo speed pass. It looks like this. So we had these for tonight, but I chose not to go to the second haunted house. Like, I don't know about other people, but with me, I'm like, I'm starting not to play around with this spooky stuff. And I be seeing what the old school folks be saying when they be like, don't be going to that stuff. And you know how the old folks don't like Halloween, but I'm like, I just don't want to do no clowns. I don't feel like being scared. I really just came so I could kind of give y'all a glimpse of what it's like to come to Netherworld. And I will say that this experience is definitely scarier than it's been the previous years. Like, I'm telling y'all, when my homegirl said that the clown one was like really scary and they were like following you inside, I was like, I'm good. I don't want to go. I don't want to go inside that one. Even the first one, they definitely put something new inside of their machines or something, because baby, in one of those rooms I started almost choking, like, and if I would have kept choking, I would have started to hyperventilate and then I would have passed out. And no, I'm just joking, but yeah, okay, we're getting a little dramatic now, but overall I definitely enjoyed this experience. It's a long walk back to the parking lot, so if y'all hear me a little winded, it's because baby, I'm walking. I feel like we just walked in a big circle. Oh, we did. Oh, because it came out on the other. Okay, so yeah, we're actually right where we started, but we're like on the other side, so it's a pretty long walk, but I'll talk to y'all when we get closer to the car. We're headed home. So that was definitely I would say a fun experience. Definitely fun for, I would say, people who can handle haunted houses. It's not super scary, but to me it's a little bit scarier than it has been the previous years. And then again, the closer you wait to go to Halloween, so towards October, it's going to be packed. And so if you're going in with a bunch of people, I don't recommend going in with a bunch of people, because people will stop in front of you, and when they stop in front of you, they kind of ruins the experience, because they start screaming and people will pop out, and it's like you anticipate the people popping out. So my advice to you is to go early October before the crowd goes and it gets super crowded, because then it'll just be an assembly line and everybody's just walking in and it's not as scary. And then also the second house is, I heard, scarier than the first, so that would be my advice, that if you like scary stuff, then make sure you go to both, because if the first one wasn't that scary to you, then you would definitely love the second one. But anyway, it was such a cute experience. They have the little drinks, a couple of snacks afterwards. They also have the gift shop, but I didn't have a gift shop because baby, I wasn't going in there to buy nothing. So let's just be honest, everybody's in a recession. I don't got no money to give Netherworld, so that's just what it's gonna be. No shade, no tea, but other than that, it was great. So I will see y'all on the next vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're going. Let me know if you want any more questions about Netherworld. If I did not touch on another subject, I will comment